Can science explain everything? What is the spirit? What is the conscience? In today's hyper-connected world, many of us are more disconnected than ever from the natural world. We live fast, often unaware of how far we have drifted away from what truly nourishes us. That's why nature becomes the perfect setting, a sacred space to pause, reflect, and ask yourself, I am living in harmony with myself and the planet? This longing is not random. When we are in nature, our brain responds positively. Our biology shows that walking through the forest or natural environments reduces activity in the prefrontal cortex, the area responsible for stress and overthinking. Meanwhile, our body releases serotonin and dopamine, chemicals that increase our sense of well-being, clarity, and calm. In other words, nature is healing. Scientific tourism invites us to observe and explore. It connects us to biodiversity, ecological process, and stories that landscapes hold. On the other hand, spiritual tourism calls us to look inward, through rituals, silence, and ancestral wisdom. This journey goes beyond the logic. It touches the soul. The search for the spirit is, in essence, a search for peace. Both forms of tourism, scientific and spiritual, can spark environmental awareness, and awareness leads to transformation. It changes how we see the world, how we behave, and what we value. From avoiding plastic waste to choosing sustainable transport, from respecting local communities to appreciating the sacredness of biodiversity. When we travel consciously, we leave a different kind of footprint, one of respect and regeneration. Tourism can be an inner revolution, an experience that merges science, ancestral knowledge, and spirituality, one that doesn't just inform but transform. Because when we awake awareness, we begin to care.